Hello, dearest students. I am Sarah, and I welcome you all once again to my Aussie Tutor. Today, we are diving into the ultimate guide of the marketing mix, a crucial concept for any aspiring marketer. By the end of this virtual class, you will have a solid understanding of the 4 key elements: product, price, place, and promotion. So let's get started. Before diving deeper into the topic, let's first get to know a little bit about the term marketing mix. Marketing mix refers to a set of strategic elements that businesses use to influence customer behavior and achieve their marketing objectives. These elements are often referred to as the 4 Ps of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. The first P of marketing mix stands for product. It's all about what you offer to your customers, the goods or services that fulfill their needs and desires. A successful product is one that has a unique selling proposition, addresses customer needs, and offers value. The second P of marketing mix stands for price. It's the amount customers pay to buy that product from the market. Pricing your product in the right way is crucial, as it directly impacts your revenue and customer perception. The third P of marketing mix stands for place. It's all about how you get your product to the customers. Selecting the right distribution channels and ensuring smooth delivery is essential for customer satisfaction. And finally, the last P of marketing mix stands for promotion. It's the process of communicating and promoting the product to the customers in a right way so that customers can get attracted to them and increase their purchasing power to buy the product without any hesitation. Also, effective promotion creates brand awareness and influences customer behavior. So, promotion is an important aspect of the marketing mix. The real power of the marketing mix lies in finding the right balance among these 4 elements. If your product is innovative and meets customer needs, but the price is too high, it may deter potential buyers. Similarly, if the promotion is strong, but the product's features don't align with customer expectations, the efforts may not yield desired outcomes. On the other hand, focusing solely on one element while neglecting the others can lead to an imbalanced marketing approach, resulting in missed opportunities and inefficiencies. Hence, achieving a well-balanced marketing mix ensures that your product captures the attention of your target audience. The price resonates with their perceived value, the distribution channels reach them conveniently, and the promotional efforts create excitement and engagement. And we have reached the end of our session. Today, we learned about the essence of marketing mix, a powerful tool that helps businesses achieve their marketing goals by creating synergy among product, price, place, and promotion. So, thank you for joining me. You have been a great audience, and I hope you now have a clear understanding of the marketing mix and its significance in developing successful marketing strategies. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us at any time. We are available 24/7 at your service. Have a great day, everyone. Until next time, Toodles.